This is the Samsung A35. It is an upgrade to its predecessor, the A34 from last year. Even though the A35 looks exactly like the A34 or even the A55 from this year, we have a new Exynos chipset, a tougher Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection on the front, and some improvements in the camera department. It enters the mid-range smartphone market with a promise of delivering a compelling blend of performance, design, and affordability for about $350 or 462,000 naira. Let's see if the Galaxy A34 lives up to these expectations. Unboxing the Galaxy A35 gives you the device accompanied by a USB-C cable, some papers, and a SIM card too. It's very obvious that Samsung is paying attention to the climate, hence why the packaging is only made of paper materials. You will need to get your charger brick before you can charge this phone because there is no one in the box. Samsung maintains its reputation for elegant design with the Galaxy A35. Crafted with a blend of plastic on the sides and glass on the front and back, the device exudes a premium feel. However, the glossy finish is prone to smudges and fingerprints, requiring occasional cleaning. A new design element is the elevation of the button area, and I kind of think the power button would have been better in the lower part. The A55, however, has a very slippery aluminum frame in addition to the glossy glass back, and that makes it a very slippery phone. I kind of prefer the grip on the A35 to that of the A55. Overall, the A35's design strikes a balance between safety and sleekness. It also has an IP67 ingress protection against water and dust. The Galaxy A35 boasts a vibrant 6.6-inch Super AMOLED display with Full HD resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. Colors pop with vividness, blacks are deep, and brightness levels get as high as 1000 nits, ensuring an immersive viewing experience whether you are gaming, streaming, or browsing, except of course for those bezels. The phone is slightly bigger than the A34, making it a little bit difficult to handle with small hands like mine. The phone uses an in-display fingerprint sensor. It is not the fastest I have used, but it gets the job done. The face unlocking system is however slow and not reliable. 50% of the time, it failed to recognize my face. The Galaxy A35 is equipped with the Exynos 1380, which is a 5nm processor, and it is the same processor on the Samsung A54 from last year. It is paired with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage space, at least for this unit I have right here. I think you can get a 256GB memory version in other regions. On Antutu, the device scored 554,658, and I was able to play as FAT9 at a high graphics setting and at a cool temperature level. The Galaxy A35 handles day-to-day tasks with ease. Multitasking is smooth and app navigation is fluid. While it may not compete with flashy processors, the A35 offers commendable performance for its price segment. The A35's audio output is satisfactory with a stereo sound setup delivering clear and loud sound reproduction. It doesn't support a 3.5mm headphone jack, so you will rely on Bluetooth for hands-free audio. With a respectable 5000 mAh battery, the Galaxy A35 delivers reliable all-day usage on a single charge. Also, the device supports 25 watts fast charging, enabling quick top-ups when needed, although it falls short of the blazing fast charging speeds found in other phones in the same category like the Camon 30 Pro. If you are finding this video informative and enjoyable, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel. It really means a lot to me. The camera setup on the Galaxy A35 comprises a versatile tri-camera array, including a primary 50MP lens, an 8MP ultra-wide lens, and a 5MP macro sensor. While the cameras perform admirably in well-lit conditions, the image quality tends to degrade in low light, showcasing some noise and loss of detail. Regardless, the variety of shooting modes and AI enhancements make up for these shortcomings in the camera department. It can take 4K videos at 30 frames per second or Full HD at 60 frames per second. The video footages are stabilized by default, but you can add more stabilization by activating the Super Steady feature, and this will switch to the ultra-wide camera and zoom in to match the field of view of the primary camera. Running on Samsung's One UI 6.1 on top of Android 14, the Galaxy A35 offers a user-friendly interface with a plethora of customization options and up to 4 years of software upgrades, instead of the 7 years of updates you get on the flagship series. Also, it is missing the new Galaxy AI feature found on the flagship Samsung phones. Priced competitively at about 450,000 naira or $350 US, which is within the mid-range segment, the Galaxy A35 offers commendable value for money considering its feature set and performance capabilities. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy A35 emerges as a fantastic choice for people looking for a well-rounded Samsung smartphone experience without breaking the bank. With its attractive design, vibrant display, decent performance, 4 years of updates, and capable camera system, the A35 ticks many boxes for an affordable mid-range device. Please subscribe if you haven't done so to see more videos like this or this one about the Samsung A55. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.